I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have backups and a recovery drive ready, because repairs can change system files. Plug the device into power to prevent mid-process shutdowns. Next, force Windows into Advanced Startup. Go to Settings, Update and Security Recovery and click Restart Now, or hold Shift and click Restart from the sign-in screen. If that fails, trigger 3 failed boots to invoke automatic repair. These steps place you into the repair environment to continue. Once in Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot and then explore tools available. Startup Repair targets boot issues automatically, so try it first. If a recent update or driver caused the problem, choose System Restore to roll back to a known good point. When you need deeper fixes, open Command Prompt to run SFC and DISM or chkdsk to repair corrupted system files and disk errors. Run SFC/scano, then DISM Restore Health, making sure to use correct drive letters for WinRe. You finish by testing a normal boot after removing any recovery media. Confirm apps and files open correctly to verify success. If problems persist, choose Reset this PC with Keep My Files or perform a clean install from recovery media, but only after exporting data if possible. If stuck, boot into safe mode to isolate driver issues and collect error codes. These details speed targeted fixes. Finally, document steps you tried so you can escalate with clear information if further support is needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.